Because the fact is, muntik na mag-declare ng war ang North against South Korea. Matapos itutok ng South ang 48 loudspeakers nito sa border with the North at nagpatugtog ng napakalakas na K-pop music na ginagawang katawa-tawa ang eccentric North Korean leader na si Kim Jong-un. Ah, yun naman pala.
North! Anyong! Anyong pangalan mo? Fo! Let's do the K-pop! Come on! Let's do this one! Cross! Go and cross! 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and wave! Wave down! Wave up!
Oye, calla,